Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. If you are encountering a "this site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome, there can be several potential reasons for this issue. So, as you can see, I am not able to reach the Google Chrome site. To fix this problem, first, we need to check Settings and run some queries to get rid of this issue. Firstly, click on the window icon. Then, tap on its search bar. Search for Control Panel in your Windows search. Now, tap to change your icon size and set them to large icons. Once there, change the view to large icons, then click on Internet Options. In the Internet Options window, go to the Connections tab, and under that, navigate to LAN Settings. Uncheck the Proxy Server option and ensure Automatically Detect Settings is selected. Click OK to save changes. Next, go to the Advanced tab and click on Restore Advanced Settings. Click Apply, then click Reset. This will delete any problematic personal settings. Once done, click Close. Now, try accessing the website again. If the issue persists, go to the network icon, right-click, and select Network and Internet Settings. Then, click on Change Adapter Options. Now, right-click on your connected network, Wi-Fi in my case. Go to Properties, scroll down and uncheck the IPv6 option. Click OK to save these changes. This will fix the issue you are facing. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.